Welcome to this Delph tutorial video. We will learn how to make a Discord profile picture GIF in After Effects. As you can see, I have CapCut open, but the process is still pretty much the same. Only the settings and the format are different. Add a video that you want to convert as a GIF for Discord and drag it into the timeline. If you want to export it as a GIF, just go to Export. Choose a folder where you want to export, and it's pretty much the same in After Effects as well. After selecting the folder, scroll down until you find the option called Export GIF and click Export. Now go to your File Explorer, open the folder, and review it to confirm. As you can see, we have successfully downloaded the GIF. Now go back to Discord and open your profile from the bottom left. Click on your profile. Click on Edit Profile. Then click on Change Banner. Click on Upload Image and select the folder. Keep in mind that animated avatars require Discord Nitro, so without Nitro, only static images can be used. We learned how to create a GIF in After Effects, which is very similar to CapCut, and upload it as a Discord profile picture. Note that Nitro is required. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out the next Delph tutorial videos.